What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, AI, refers to the development of computer systems capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks include learning, reasoning, problem-solving, perception, and language understanding. Types of AI: narrow AI, weak AI. AI designed and trained for a specific task, such as image recognition or language translation. General AI, strong AI. AI with human-like cognitive abilities, capable of understanding and performing any intellectual task that a human can. Components of AI. Machine learning. Subset of AI that enables systems to learn from data and improve over time without explicit programming. NLP, computer vision, robotics. Brief descriptions of other key components contributing to AI's capabilities, including NLP, computer vision, and robotics. Neural networks. Introduction to artificial neural networks, inspired by the structure and functioning of the human brain. AI applications. Healthcare. AI assists in disease diagnosis, personalized treatment plans, and drug discovery. Automotive. Self-driving cars utilize AI for navigation, object recognition, and decision-making on the road. Gaming. AI opponents in video games employ adaptive strategies and behaviors to challenge players. Finance. AI algorithms power fraud detection, algorithmic trading, and risk assessment in financial markets. Customer service. Chatbots provide automated customer support and assistance in various industries. AI techniques. Machine learning. Algorithms that enable systems to learn from data and improve over time without explicit programming. Deep learning. Subset of machine learning using neural networks with many layers, capable of learning representations of data. Challenges in AI development. Data quality. AI systems heavily rely on quality data for training and decision-making. Security. Risks of AI systems being exploited or manipulated for malicious purposes. Interpretability. Understanding how AI systems arrive at their decisions is crucial for trust and accountability. Future trends. Autonomous systems. Continued development of self-learning and self-optimizing AI systems. Human-AI collaboration. Enhancing human capabilities through AI augmentation rather than replacement. Ethical AI. Increased focus on developing AI systems that are transparent, fair, and aligned with human values. Encouragement for continued exploration and innovation in AI to address societal challenges and improve human well-being. Thank you. Subscribe my channel Smart Time 24.